Here's a quick tutorial about the function bounce in place, one of the most useful functions in Logic that doesn't seem to exist in other programs like Pro Tools. I'm not sure about FL Studio or Cubase, but I know it doesn't exist in Pro Tools, and this is really practical. So all you need to do is you either right click here and bring up bounce in place here, okay, cancel that, or the keyboard shortcut is Control B. So we have it here. Then we got this window here where we got the title automatically that corresponds to the actual track itself, so we don't need to rename it. It adds BIP, bounce in place, to the end of the file, so when it bounces you know that that's a bounce in place file. You have options here to do a new track, which will automatically give us a new track underneath the original here. Then we can leave, mute or delete the original track. I usually go mute. Then we can bypass or mix the plugins when we bounce it. So when I bounce this track to audio, the plugins will be included in the mix. They won't be separated. So I'll show you how that works. So now this is calculating the new track, and here we have no plugins on it. They're all included in the audio. Go back there, we still have everything there. So let's go back, Control Z, okay, and do the same thing this time, Control B, but we bypass the plugin effects, and now this will keep all the plugins in real time on the new file, so we can then work with the plugins if we want to. Okay, so here we can see we've got all the plugins, and the WAV file is slightly smaller because it's not mixed in the compression and stuff like that. So then we have them in real time. Then all you've got to do here is go back to this. So if I hold down Shift and then just go like this, that just closes all them at the same time. Can't do it with the instrument though, it just does it with the plugins. Then I just go Control H and I hide the track, and then I have that bounced in place. So there you have bounce in place. Really useful. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, like, subscribe and leave some comments, and I will see you soon.